Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by confirming 3 essentials: a functional rail jack, required standings, and the Orb Valley's node that begins the hunt. Once those are set, launch a bounty instead of roaming. This triggers the Ropalolyst quest chain. Make sure to bring appropriate loadouts for heavy Eidolon-style mechanics and disruption. You will need mobility, damage, and crowd control. This early momentum prevents long backtracking, and it explains why preparation matters, so you can progress straight into the core objectives. Once done with the opening bounty chain, move into the mid-process by methodically clearing each phase. You should prioritize objective completion, not chasing kills. Make sure to exploit the Ropalolyst's exposed weak points during the stagger windows, because precision yields faster drops and fewer wipes. You communicate with your team, call out shields, call for bubbles, and assign someone to handle ads, then execute coordinated bursts. This systematic approach reduces RNG pain and explains why team roles and timing are critical. You complete the sequence by claiming the Ropalolyst reward and then crafting the Warframe component in your foundry. After farming the necessary drops, spend the required resources and start the build. While you wait, confirm you have all blueprint components so the timer won't stall your progress. If something goes wrong, first verify the mission registered as complete, then check your inventory. If still missing, relog or restart the client. This simple troubleshoot often refreshes drop sync and resolves most completion issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.